Today, I'm at Center City Shopping Center in New Plymouth, and it's time for a lift tour. First, we start at the car park lift, which is an OTIS Gen2, but it was super busy, so I had to come back later and take another video of it. Here is the lift at Center City Shopping Center's car park. It's an OTIS Gen2. That's kind of broken. It's gone up to the top. Coming. So wet after riding that lift at the glass of that okay on a key. Here, I'll hold the bit.
I'm just going to see which way we're on. Oh no, I need to go up one. Sorry.
That's okay. Sorry.
Thank you for that.
Are you going up?
Yeah.
Or no? Taking a different video because this lift is so busy. Cold button up here has been replaced with a 2000 zipping button. This lift is one of the most busiest lifts at the moment. I can tell it's been replaced because of this panel must have used to have a Gen 2 panel. There's a logic cabinet. Yes, got it all to ourselves now. Down back to one. Tiling, ceiling, curb, 1350 kgs, 18 persons. Same capacity as the main lift. And here we are back at one. Now to the main list, which are more OTIS Gen2s. These were busy, but thankfully I was lucky to get the lift to myself the whole entire time. Here are the main lifts at Center City Plaza. They're OTIS Gen2s. Stop on 3. Here's his OTIS label. See down the shaft. One. Jeez, these doors don't sound good at all. 1350 kgs, 18 persons. OTIS Gen2. Here we are at 1. Those are fixtures. Four. Back to 4. Tiling, ceiling, cab. Hello. This shopping mall is so busy at the moment. The car park lift was so freaking busy that I could not get these lifts to myself. I mean that lift to myself. How come you can hear the chime from the other car? The other car is a nudge. Thankfully I got this lift to myself. And that will be it. Now to the farmers, which is also an OTIS Gen2. But for some reason the floor numbering is wrong. It's ground and 1, but it should be 2 and 3. And anyways, let's ride it. And also, door close button is broken, so I had to wait for the doors to close. Door close button is gone. This is a lift at Farmers and City Shopping Centre in New Plymouth. It's another OTIS Gen2. This is the last one to do, I think. Floor numbering is wrong. It should be 2 and 3, not ground and 1. 13 persons, 1,000 kgs. Tiling, ceiling, cab. Go back up to 1. Why is it not working? 2 OTIS labels, there and there. That will be it.